Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if you are getting this error on Instagram, if you're trying to log into your account or trying to forget your password, and if you click on next, you will get this error feedback required. So if you have this problem in your iPhone or any Android phone, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So if you're trying to forget your password and you're getting this error, then what you're gonna do is, first of all, close your Instagram. So before you start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So now what you're gonna do is guys, go to settings, then simply click on general, click on iPhone storage, then click on Instagram, click on offload app, then click on reinstall app. Now just head back to home screen and wait until the Instagram app is downloaded again in your iPhone or iPad. Once the app is reinstalled, open the app. Now you can log into your account. Now you won't get the error. Now you can forget your password. Just enter your username, then click on next, and you will receive the reset email on your email address. Here we go. Now as you can see, without getting the feedback error. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.